Hi everyone! In this project, we will continue the clean lake material project from the previous videos and we will place the lake surface. As you see, create the lake base and add the wavy lake surface to our scene. Let's start the project if you are ready. As in our previous video lesson, select Universal Render Pipeline and create a Unity project and its name clear lake water. Clear lake water and press create button. Yes, our project is opened and like previous projects we can delete these example assets and window, rendering, lighting, environment and select fog and cancel it. Okay, and gizmo scale reduce. Yes, it's enough. And now we can create a terrain. Yes, terrain is very useful tool in Unity, but it's too high, as you know. Select this terrain setting and this terrain width and terrain length, we can reduce these values. For example, maybe 50 and 75. Yeah, it's maybe nice. And maybe 70. Yeah. And terrain height maybe 150. Yes. We need in this project some texture. So we can go to texture.com website. We can find in texture.com people texture. Yes. We can select texture. Yes, maybe this one. It's good. We can download and save it, and we can download normal texture also, and sand texture. We need sand texture. Yes, I think this maybe. Yes, this one, and this color texture and this normal texture, and finally grass. We need grass texture. Yes, this one maybe. Yes, I select. Yes, and we can create folder textures. Yes, and import this all of we can select and download it. Okay, we can name this terrain lake base, maybe. Yes, and we need some game asset 3D model for this project, for this lake project, and go to asset store and rock. At first we need some rock model, 3D model. Yes, we can choose that package, add to my asset. I downloaded before this package, so I just import enough for me, but you can at first download, after you can import into your project. Again, we can select this package, rock package. Yes, open in Unity. Yes, this may be rock free pack. Open in Unity, and we need palm trees. Palm, yeah, pricing free. Yes, this package maybe. Open in Unity, import. And finally, maybe we can download some, yeah, for example, this package, maybe. Open in Unity. I think we are ready for process lake base, but before we can align with camera to scene. So yeah, it may be, and select camera and Control Shift F. Yes, good. And select the, just a bit, yeah, work area maybe big. We can choose this brush and rise or lower terrain, and my brush, and as you see, step by step we can increase this level, this, yeah, maybe brush size just a bit big, yeah, opacity, you know, it's too much, we don't want it. Step by step. And select smooth hike and opacity. Yes, as you see, yes, it's good. Yes, this hike may be too much, we can reduce just a bit. Where is control? Yes, maybe 100. Yes, and continue. Again, maybe 150, 120, yes. I think enough at this time, maybe just a bit, 140, yes. I think it will be enough for our project. Just a bit reduce height, 110, yes, or 120, yes. Set height, maybe we can some flat area, for example 100, local. We determine the height you want by holding down the shift key, then take our finger from the shift key and make every place flat at the height we have determined. Maybe enough. And smooth height again. Smooth height again. Yeah. And some three. Same rise again for natural. Yes, I think enough for now. And we need the texture. We need the texture for this terrain. Paint texture, select and edit terrain layers, and not, yes, this one, yes. Select this layer, you see normal web, yes, it's enough, it's good, it's good. And we need add layer grass, and select this layer, select this one, and select nothing for normal, and we can paint. Brush size maybe, yes. And I want in CG texture wet sand. Maybe I can find. Yes. Wet sand. This one maybe. Yes, it's good. Select this texture muddy. Wet. Say change name and normal, and it's normal. Wet sand normal. And we can import this texture also. It will be necessary for our project, and we can continue at first. I think enough. Yes, enough. And at layer, this one, cliff rock, and select pebble. Yes, 1 1 1 and 1 1 1. Yes, but we need, and we can pebble river normal. Yes, yes, you can see. Good. Yes, it's maybe too big. Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. Yes, and this tiling maybe 100 and 100. Ctrl C again. And brush size, yes, yes, good, yes, I think nice. And we can reduce brush size, and we can, and opacity maybe just 1. Just 2. Yes, as you see, it's good result. Yes, and we can select this layer. Yeah, it's good. Again this layer. And we need add layer. We need another layer, and create layer wet. Remember, wet sand. Yes, this one. And wet sand normal. And we can paint in this area. And we add the rocks and rocks prefabs, and select. As you see, it's pink color because we are using in universal render pipeline, but this material is standard. So we can go to edit render pipeline, universal render pipeline, and upgrade project material to universal render pipeline. Proceed. Yes, as you see, solid. We can increase just a bit. Yes, I think enough for now. And for around this dry lake area, we can fill rock package perhaps. Yes, maybe another rock free mesh. Yes, I can use it and scale it and rotate 19 like a pool. We create like a pool. Yes. I placed the rocks around the dry lake floor, as you see. Since our main target in this project was to make a clean lake shader material, I quickly passed the landscaping stage from time to time, as you see. Now, let's add some palm trees and bushes to this higher area. Palm trees and bushes. For example, this one. As you know, it is pink, and we can change this material, shader, universal, pipeline, and nature and speed tree. Yes, as you see, and other parts, we can change this render pipeline, nature, and sample trees. Yes, as you see, it's done. And absolutely prefab unpack, we can unpack these parts also. Yes, we can locate it, this tree. Yes, as you can see, I added the palms, and let's add some bushes. Yes, I think enough, not too much. Now let's add the lake surface and wave shader. Below the description of our previous video lesson, there is a download link for the lake surface solid model. We also learned how to make a wave shader in our previous video lesson. At first, I can create a folder and lake surface and import new asset. At first, import lake surface and import, as you see, wave shader from last material from previously lesson. Wave shader I imported, yes, and add the surface prefab unpack and default. We can delete this and lake surface, lake water surface, and top. Yes, 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 and we can just receive size. Yes, I think enough, as you see, and we can add a material, lake surface material, and assign this lake surface and shader graph, wave shader. Yes, as you see, it's crazy. We have to reduce. Yes, we can see still very fast. Wave speed maybe, yes, we can see, yes, better, but still speed 2 and 2 and again control. Yes, you can see it's good, I think. Yes, but wave height maybe 4. Yes, yes, it's good, and we can, yes, again control. Yes, it's good lake surface, as you see, and we can control wireframe mode. Yes, it's good. It's very high, but can this maybe 25 wave height, or this one. Yeah, it's good. Yes, perfect for us for now. We made the necessary landscaping for our clean lake water shader material work and added the solid lake surface to our scene. We will continue to develop this project in other project videos. See you in another project.